Welcome back to the Accord Club Radio. Sit down, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy the show. On this episode, Cannon Gang replaces the two front main seals and slaps on the ready timing belts. Let's see if he can do it correctly without screwing it up. Alright, baby, let's torque it down. Torque it down. This track is provided by Voldovas. Can be found on YouTube. Cannon was bound to screw up sometime, right, people? Another sweet track provided by Voldovas. Can be found on YouTube. Check them out.
In my room, all by myself.
Wait a minute, is that broken screwdriver? Do what you gotta do.
Who came into my life?
After struggling for 13 years, I finally got it. I think I got it. So I would start down here, put the belt on here, get this lined up top dead center, wrap it around here, go up top, stick it up here, and then it just would not go over into this cam gear, and I was like, what the heck? And then this would come off alignment, and then I was struggling trying to get that adjusted once I did get the belt on, and then it was super loose up here. It was all messed up. And then I watched the video, and the way they did it was put the belt on here, go up this way, come around this way, and it slipped right on over this a lot easier than trying to find the grooves to match. So that slipped on, and I was able to line these up before I did that, and they just came off a little bit when I threw this on. And then all I did was twist these a tad bit and got them lined up. So I think I'm good. Now I just gotta hit it with the tension, get this all set, and then that's good. And then I can move on to putting the rest of this little things on here. Another weird situation. This is a 4 rib, and the one that was on it is a 5 rib. So if I could run a 4 rib belt on a 4 rib pulley that's on the alternator, I should be okay, I believe. The belt would only move over 1 rib if it was to move over. Let me know if that's correct.
Jesus, I thought he would never shut up. Let's get back down to business so you guys can see the process. As you can see here on the right, we have a 5 rib pulley and a 4 rib, which actually ended up not fitting. Son of a bitch.
Alright, so I'm now finished with that. The crank pulley I ordered is the wrong crank pulley. It is a 4 rib, that is a 5 rib, and the Honda tool that locks into it so you can tighten down the nut does not even fit. I can hammer it in, tap it in, but it like barely goes in and then it falls out. So that is going to be chilling until I get a new pulley again. but everything else is ready to go. I can throw on the intake if I wanted to. I actually want to order a different one, so that's going to chill like that. Alternator, I might do a chrome cap or the billet cap for the alternator, then put that on. A header, throw a header on there, and throw the case, cover case right here, and it's pretty much going to be finished. But that was a pain in the ass. I'm done. I'm chilling. Day's over. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for tuning in to the Accord Club Radio. Make sure you grab a hoodie. Link in description.